Alan Seidenberg, and I'm the owner of A1 Bail Bonds, and I've been in the business for 4 years. Most of it's, a lot of good clients. A lot of clients come in, do what they need to do, and it's not a lot of pickups going on. Pickups are more of a punishment for writing a bad bond or not looking over the bond correctly. Okay, they miss court. Okay, they're issued a warrant. They have a couple choices. They could hire an attorney and go into court that way, okay? Or they can come in here, reschedule their court date, and get them back into court that way. Or they could just turn themselves in. Now, if they decide to flee, we go and pick them up, we take them back to jail. When we take them back to jail, we are not liable at all for that bond, no more. We're off that bond total. Maybe out of 50 clients, I'd say maybe 10, if that, would maybe be a flight risk or a flee. You basically have to go to their house. You try to talk to them, tell them, listen, we're here to help you. We bonded you out. We could reschedule you a court date. It's not that serious. Unlike the police, if they came, they're just arresting you, and that's it. So we try to explain that to them. If they don't want to help themselves, then we have to go from there and take legal action. So basically, we could sue the indemnitor because they co-signed. We could. That's really what we could do. We have to skip trace them and do a lot of legwork to find them. So when if someone misses court, we have that right to gain entry into that house to look for that individual. If they are in that house, we are allowed to break down the door and enter the residence. So the police, when they need a warrant, they need to go get it signed. Even if he's in there waving to them, they need to get a warrant signed first by the judge. We can go in there right away and grab them and take them into custody. Just like if they're at somebody else's house as well, we could go into that house as long as we know they're in there and gain entry in that house as well. I mean, I go out with other guys. I'm the guy that goes after the little one that runs, or I go in the attic. Remember, the big guys can't fit in an attic that's about half the square of that, So, most of them are easy to catch. Some of them are career criminals, which know the ropes real well and could really run, give you a hard time finding them. Danger, I guess, when you have to go and pick them back up and bring them back to court or bring them back to the jail so you release your liability.